Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn what apostrophes are. We will discuss the definition as well as situations where apostrophes are used and where they are avoided. It is a very important concept that you will surely be using throughout your life, so pay attention, boys. As you can see here, I have made a list of the highlights of today's lesson. First, I will share the definition of apostrophes with you, and then we will briefly discuss it. Next, we will discuss situations where it is necessary to use apostrophes as well as exceptional cases when apostrophes are not needed at all. Last but not the least, we will discuss some sentences from your exercises so that you can understand how you are supposed to attempt them in your copies. So let us now discuss the definition of apostrophes. By definition, an apostrophe is simply a comma that we place at the end of a word along with an S to show possession and or ownership. For example, John was driving Harry's car. Bilal's cat loves chasing mice. Naila accidentally burned Aslam's shirt with an iron today. Now let us discuss instances where usage of apostrophes is necessary. As mentioned earlier in the definition, apostrophes are used where we have to show possession or ownership. For example, Aslam's cap was blue. Kamran's school has a huge playground. Noman went to Qaid-e-Azam's tomb with his family on Monday. Alright, now that we have covered the definition and placement of apostrophes, let us discuss the how. That is, how do we use apostrophes? The first case to be discussed is when, in case of singular nouns, an S is added after the apostrophe to show possession. For example, Soban's father is handsome. It is important to remember that in case of proper nouns ending with an S, for example, Waqas, Shammas, etc., an additional S is added at the end after the apostrophe to show possession. For example, Waqas's brothers are very obedient. The second case to be discussed is when, in case of plural nouns that end with an S or ES, S comes before the apostrophe to show possession. For example, the goat's horns were very long. It is important to remember that in case of plurals that do not end with an S, children, sheep, an apostrophe is used before the S. For example, the children's parents are worried about them. An exception to the rule is that apostrophes are not used in case of a non-living thing. For example, the sentence, "the computer's screen was not working," is not correct. Another example of an incorrect usage is, "My friend fell down from the house's roof." As you can see here, I have written the answers to some of the sentences from exercise A so that you can understand how you have to attempt the exercise in your copies. As you can see here, I have written the answers to some of the sentences from exercise B so that you can understand how you have to attempt the exercise in your copies. Your homework is to complete exercise A and B in your copies. Make sure that you complete all your work in your copies.